All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, trading the coin, all kinds of good things with cryptocurrency. Well, today, Shiba Inu. Wow, I can't even believe I'm going to say this. Up 350% in the last 7 days. What's going on, everybody? The Shiba army is definitely, woo! Well, it all started with a tweet. Yeah, you know it. Elon Musk with his Shiba puppy. Well, we're going to dig into that in a little bit later here. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. We're going to be covering all kinds of information today about Shiba Inu. I mean, it's moving up and moving up. Also, Bitcoin is up, up, up too. So this is going to be an awesome episode. So make sure you watch to the end. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to Shiba Inu. All right, we're over here at Coin Market. I can't even believe it. Shiba Inu was at around 47. Then it was in the 30s. Look at this, everybody. Shiba Inu is number 15 right now. The 15th coin. It's up 72% in the last 24 hours. It's up over 300% in the last 7 days. We've been doing videos for the last couple weeks talking about Shiba Inu. Big things are going to happen. And look, it's happening. Let's take a look and dig in. So right here, Shiba trading it. Remember there was 5 zeros? 5, and we wanted to crush one of the zeros. And now there's 4, where there's only 4 zeros. Take a look at this. It's up 71% in the last 24 hours. I don't think this is stopping anytime soon. Okay, so with that, we're over here at the chart. So there's the 5 zeros. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then take a look. It just goes and goes and goes. And now, I mean, this thing is way, way, way up here. I mean, so 4 zeros. We're getting ready to crush one of these other zeros. I'm gonna be talking about how we're gonna go to 3 zeros. All right, so there's a couple of things going on here. So why did the price just go crazy? Well, Robinhood has something to do with it. Elon Musk had something to do with it. Robinhood's getting ready to basically put it on this platform, and Robinhood started buying millions of dollars of Shiba Inu in reserves, and they're buying it in reserves, and as people are watching them buying it, the price is actually going up. So now all of a sudden people are like, why is the price going up? And now all of a sudden other people are starting to get in position. And then there's the actual current stakeholders of the Shiba Inu that they want to go ahead and get more Shiba Inu because they see it's going up. Then you got Elon Musk that tweets about his little puppy. And now when the tweet goes on, and the tweet had nothing to do with Shiba Inu, the token. But with that, let's go ahead and take a look at the tweet. It says, why is Shiba Inu price rising? The reason behind Shiba's price surge shows exactly how the meme cryptocurrency it can be. Musk tweeted a picture of his dog. That's it. Musk brought a pet Shiba Inu in September, and he called it Floki. On Monday, he tweeted a picture of the puppy, the Floki Frunk puppy. Take a look. Here it is. So this little tweet on October 3rd, I mean, it is a cute little dog, but this tweet just made Shiba. The tweet did not even have anything to do with Shiba Inu coin, but it was enough to send the supporters flocking to buy the coin, therefore boosting it in value. It goes without saying that any currency that can be so heavily influenced by someone tweeting a picture of their dog is far more stable investment. Why such currencies can make you money, anyone investing should be prepared to lose everything they put into it. So going off of that, let's not forget all my information on the channel is for educational purposes only. But here's my point. Dogecoin, talked about all the time. Oh, Shiba Inu, the Dogecoin killer. Remember they coined themselves that? You always hear Burger King, McDonald's, Dogecoin, 25 cents right now. We're going to go over that. Wow, Dogecoin is up 25 cents right now. And Shiba's talked about. Elon Musk likes the Dogecoin. Elon Musk has the Shiba Inu puppy. Posts a little tweet. Everybody goes berserk. I mean, I love the coin. I have the coin. So guess what? I mean, everything is win-win-win. I'm super happy about this. With this, let's jump over. It says, Musk has often shown the ability to influence the crypto market, even the coins as large as Bitcoin. Just like I just said, he has previously been a vocal supporter of Dogecoin, on which Shiba Inu coin is heavily based. Through it's never been cleared how much the support of is a joke. It can be a joke, but Dogecoin's definitely not going anywhere. And Shiba Inu, with what's going on right now, it's not going anywhere. So again, back over here, coin market, number 15, Shiba Inu. I mean, it's moved up big time. Take a look at this, 349% in the last 7 days. With that, we might as well just hit it. Uniswap is at number 12, trading at $24. Take a look at those 4 zeros again. Look at those 4 zeros down there. Yep, one day another zero is going to be gone. Binance USD is up 3%, 0.03% in the last 24 hours. Polkadot's at number 10. It's actually up about almost 12% in the last 7 days. The Dogecoin is up 22%. It's almost 25 cents right here. Solana's at number 7, up about 10% in the last 7 days, down 5% in the last 24 hours. XRP is up about 11%. Cardano is number 4. It's up 3% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is up 13% in the last 7 days. Ethereum, 35.39. Very, very nice price on this. Up 19% in the last 7 days. And can you believe it, guys? Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 54,000, kissing 55. We were talking about it when it was 42 and 44,000 just a week ago, week and a half ago, and now it busted past the 50 and is at 54,000. Bitcoin is on the rise up. Shiba Inu is on the rise up. AMP tokens on the rise up. Cosmos is on the rise up. Just all kinds of cryptocurrencies is going up, up, up. With that, let's go ahead and check into little Tom Brady.
Can I talk to you about something?
We've talked about it. I got another 10 years left.
Not that. This is big. What do you think?
I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hey, yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in. I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in.
This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would.
Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto with FTX. You in?
I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Is he in?
Yep.
Did he say he hates you?
He did.
I get it.
Are you guys seeing what's going on? Tom Brady, more Super Bowls than anybody else. He's something big's going on. He's getting into it. Oh, no, he's going to play for 10 more years. Oh, not that. He's getting into cryptocurrency. Elon Musk tweeting pictures of his dog. Cryptocurrency. Hey, everybody, cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. It's here to stay. What you want to do is you need to figure out which coins you're going to invest in, which coins you're going to stake, which coins you're going to hold for a while. You know, some people buy the coin and they look for it to go up. I mean, there's all kinds of good things, but cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. The AMP token, you know, the things that the AMP's doing right now with the Sheets gas station and all the things that it's doing and the Flex the network, and then El Salvador making Bitcoin legal tender. I mean, it's going up, up, up. And you know, today in the last couple of days with the cryptocurrency going up the way it is and Shiba Inu going up, this is a fun time to be in cryptocurrency. So don't forget to share this with any of your friends. We want everybody on the planet to definitely know about cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All of our information is for educational purposes, too. Over here, Shiba Inu coin up 216% in a week. Some help from Musk. It says the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is now the world's 20th biggest market. But you know what? Biggest market value, it tripled in the past week. It's partly fueled by Elon Musk's tweet of his own puppy, which we just talked about. The Shiba coin, centered around a breed of Japanese hunting dog, is up another 69% in the last 24 hours, according to CoinGecko. Prices putting the market at above $10 billion. The gains have come broadly, roughly, in a major digital currency underpinned value season factor. We're going to cut all that out. Cut it all out. But take a look at this. But Shiba, 216% surge in the past week, has well overshadowed the performance of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two biggest tokens, which are both up 20%. So guess what? Ethereum and Bitcoin are up 20% or 15%, but Shiba is just off the charts. Also, the tweet by Tesla's boss last Sunday night, U.S. time, was a picture of a dog, Floki Frunk Puppy. May you also contribute to the freezing that followed the tweet in June. Mr. Shiba Inu will be named Floki, and one last month that read, Floki has arrived. So again, there's the culprit, Floki Frunk Puppy. The little smile right there, it's making the Shiba Inu coin just go up, up, up. All right, I got this that brought to my attention. Nicholas Children's Hospital Foundation, among the first in South Florida to accept cryptocurrency donations. Yep, that's right, everybody. This is the first hospital that's actually going to accept cryptocurrency as a donation. Take a look at all your pictures here. Ethereum, you got your Bitcoin, your Litecoin. So it says the Nicholas Children's Hospital Foundation is among the first nonprofit and believed to be the first healthcare foundation in South Florida to begin accepting cryptocurrency donations. All right, here it says donations as the following cryptocurrencies are now accepted. And here's what they're accepting. You ready? Bitcoin, Ethereum. Oh, look at that. Look at the third thing that's listed, everybody. AMP token. So they'll actually take AMP token as one of their coins. BAT, Basic Attention Coin. Bitcoin Cash. You knew Bitcoin Cash was going to be there. They'll also take Chainlink. DAI. You would know that the Dogecoin would be there. So they're going to take the Doge. GRT. Gemini Dollar. Litecoin, Story, UMA, Zcash, ZRX, and many, many more. So I just wanted to bring this up that now there's hospitals that are accepting cryptocurrency as donations. So there's a lot of people out there that are always donate. And I just think it's really neat that there's a hospital, Nicholas Children's Hospital in Florida, that's actually accepting cryptocurrency. Pretty awesome. Cryptocurrency is going awesome. We bring a video to you every single day, Monday through Friday at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We also, on the weekends, bring a video at 3 to 4 o'clock on Saturdays and Sundays. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click right here to see our most recent video. Make sure you share this with your friend because we want everybody on the planet to have a crypto wallet with some cryptocurrency in there. You all have a good day.